What's up, y'all? Ooh, it's getting out that big ass truck. Welcome back to another YouTube video. And now we at Home Depot. The lighting is kind of terrible right now, but about to do some woodwork today. So we're going to Home Depot to get a couple of things.
Yeah, that sounds right.
And I look crazy. I took my wig off, put this hat on, which is his hat. He on the phone, but yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all.
So right now,
what?
we're looking for paintbrushes because we equipped my girl up to be a finished woodwork person.
Boy.
Now we're looking for clear coat because we already got a couple signs and we're gonna test it out.
And we got stain. You say you already got that already, right?
Yeah, I already got some walnut stain.
Wait, babe, post the thumbnail. Got wood stain right here. Which one you got, you said? Walnut? You say you got walnut? You got this one?
Yeah,
Coat? Oh no, that's wood stain still.
we need clear coat. It should say clear coat.
No, I'm saying the clear coat, that's what goes over it, like at the end?
Yeah, it just make it shiny.
Okay. I don't know.
Let me see what they look like.
Also, we got these small paintbrushes. I did have some other paint, like I had hella paintbrushes, cause y'all know I be painting and shit like that, y'all know. But I couldn't find them. I think I left them at my aunt's house, but I had paint too, like I had hella paint. So now I gotta rebuy all my paint and all my paintbrushes.
This is what it look like.
Ultra cover.
Ultra cover. I thought I just seen it.
Yeah, I thought I just, oh, it's over here. This is white, gloss white,
Semi-gloss. We need
metallic silver.
what's the best?
But this, oh, clear gloss right here. Oil based.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Interior. Superior. Scratch
What's the superior?
Maximum durability, fast dry time.
Scratch resistant. Yeah, look at that.
You know what else we need, like,
I think
for what we
this
finna make?
everything else at the house.
You know what I'm saying? Like, remember when you seen the thing, it's like, oh,
Fasteners and
yeah,
stuff.
but
I
not
gotta
the
get the
fasteners
size.
specifically. I'm saying, like, what else did we say we wanted to try so we could see, like, little stuff that we need? Oh, you had pulled that up on your iPad, though.
Yeah, that's come out and put it on my phone, but that's all we really needed with clear coat, stain, and paintbrush. Why are you looking at me like that?
Okay, I'll race you down to the end of there.
You gotta know, because every Home Depot, if you don't know this, every customer has an aisle.
Ready?
Every customer has an
And
aisle.
down there. Ready, set, go. You suck. That was just like I really need to, you know, I'm faster than you, yeah. You don't want to race? What you want to race? I put the camera down there and you can run down there.
Girl, I will blow your ass. No homo. Bro, come on.
You know you'll blow my ass in real life. Put my life on you. We looking for now? The girls?
The drills.
For what?
I see like for a salt table or something.
I know how to work them drills and stuff like that because I did all that in design and production. Y'all know. I learned a little bit of carpentry skills when I was in design and production because we used to be building play sets. We used to be building everything in there. Trust me, if I find the pictures, I'm going to put it on the screen because Don't try to discredit me. I know how to work. I know how to work the forklift. I know how to work that. I know how to work.
Good.
How you doing?
Oh,
Don't tell me what you need. What you need.
What are we looking for?
looking for like a saw table, saw
I
bench.
know how to do all that. Don't play with it.
Something like that'll work.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find something that fit my saw. So what? With an orbital, like with one of these, you know what I'm saying?
Nigga, I did that in designer production. I know how to use. I don't see where it should be using that thing, but something like that, like a little drill or whatever. I know how to do it. You know, we was using these with the little drill bit and shit. So yeah.
What the fuck you chop saws? I already got an impact and drills, but I don't got no screws.
So you want to get some screws?
I already got all that ready too.
So what do you want to get if you already got it?
Slick looking for the table because I know. They hold my family though, right? It's my people. It's $29 a piece.
Yeah, they tax you. You remember when people used to be doing that? Let me pass it to you. Pass it back. Ready? What are we even looking for?
I don't think we're gonna need no clowns.
We don't, babe. Let's just get what we got and go. What's gonna add up to? This is like $6 right here. I think this one was like $9, $10. So that's 16 plus that one. That's 15. So it's gonna be like $36. We're finna check out, y'all.
It's a professional. Where is the diagram on this one?
I can never remember.
We're here.
On the wood. Oh, you okay? You said you trying to see it?
Don't play with us. Yeah, so we finna get to work today. We might go on a little date after. A little spontaneous day. Spend a little day with us. This is just a little short little vlog. Currently having technical difficulties
I like
uploading
that
my
truck.
video. This
What
one
y'all
right
think about this truck? Y'all rate this truck.
here. Y'all rate this truck right here. He's into trucks and shit like that. I mean, I'm starting to get into them now because he got me, you know.
All right, now I'm gonna count to 3, and y'all rate this black beast. 1, 2, 3.
Y'all rate this one. This the front. Yeah, you do. I don't know what you playing for. The window was down that whole time, or you let him down? Okay then. Okay then.
Get your ass ready to ride.
I'm ready to ride that dick.
Are you recording?
Yep.
Ride that shit, man. What's stopping you? Cause you stopped last night. Yeah, pick that fucking mouth up.
Why are you saying all that?
Cause you stopped last night.
And what you did?
Bent your ass over. I'm in bed. Alright, y'all, we're gonna look at some buildings just to look.
These are not buildings. Stop saying that. These are shades. We should get one of these sheds. It could be our little work shed. Yeah.
Bro, it's $81 a month.
Yeah, but it's $4,000 though. You'll be paying that shit for like the next couple of years.
So, $81 a month though. I mean, $81 a month. Come and look at it. Get out. Explore.
What?
Wanna get a quickie? Come on.
I'm about to zoom in on you. Here, take the camera. You know you're showing the set, showing the set.
Should we get it though?
Yo, this is very spacious too. This could be our little spot, you know?
But look, there's more. There's more. There's more. Alright, should we get this one or not?
I think so, it's nice. Not right now, but like
Why not right now?
eventually.
We gotta invest in ourselves. It's nothing but $81 a month.
$66 a month?
Yeah.
This is small, but this ain't bad.
Actually, let's just short the truck.
Damn, babe, can I close the damn door?
We're on a tight schedule, people. We're looking to do smart investments, and if we have a shop, that's really the only thing we're stopping. We can do YouTube videos, we can set up a streaming website, we can do everything. We can do everything we want to.
Period. Only people that's stopping us is ourselves. Yeah, baby. Oh, this one has the upstairs?
I told you, this the one I sent you the Snapchat of. You don't remember that?
Yeah,
I said
I
we
do.
can live in it.
Yeah, but who trying to live in the shed, babe?
Once you see it, you're gonna be like, oh, we can live in it. What then? When you open the door,
I mean,
what
it
then?
says
Look at
big-
me. Point the camera on me.
It's as
When she
big
look-
as a fucking house,
When
so
she-
I could see that. It's 283. Damn, I can't see.
Come on,
It's
bro,
283 a month. Got windows. Got a little storage area. Got stairs. Oh, I'm thinking I'm finna walk up the stairs.
Yeah, you got stairs.
Got stairs so you can go up, so you can go upstairs.
This is what it look like upstairs. Pretty big upstairs too. So we can live in here. This is a room right now. Then you can be upstairs, I can be downstairs in my own little space, cause you be getting on my fucking nerves.
Do you know how much you have to set up in there to make that work, to actually live in there? Water, gas, electric.
That can be a little lot. You can put a bed up there. But what's the one we were talking about, G?
That red one. Well, this one's tough. I like this.
I like this one now. What?
This one's nice. We could dead just put this shit right here. Put all shit down there. Work on this.
What you think?
This
Should we
is
get this
fire.
one?
This one's much bigger too.
Should we get this one?
I don't know. This one 127. Let me grab this one because it ain't bad for real.
6'3". So it's a little bit
For
4 years, right? Ain't it 4 years?
yeah.
Alright, we're gonna check these out. We'll get back to y'all when we get to the house. We're finna make some business decisions here, so look at my ass and click that subscribe button. We'll get back to you. It's 478-456.
Are you saying your number?
Oh, sorry.
Stop doing that.
We'll get back to y'all.
And take your number off your Instagram too. Stop playing with me.
This ain't Bud. That been on Bud now. You feel me?
Yeah.
I think about it when we
It just
try.
wasn't for us
I know.
at this moment. We didn't have to get it right at this moment. We didn't decide to get it today, so we probably gonna, weigh our options and just what's for us will come to us, and that's on period. But right now we finna just go home and work on some wood, experiment a little bit, stain some shit, paint some shit, cut out some shit, And yeah. So y'all, the camera battery is about to die, but we setting up right now in the back of this truck. We finna set the table up right
You wanna
here.
start painting, start clear coating that cedar. You gotta take a before and after picture.
Oh, these bugs. One thing I can do is these bugs out here in Georgia. Like, the bugs is a no-no. I hate bugs. I don't like bugs. The only bugs I fuck with is fireflies, butterflies, ladybugs. And that's it. All them other shits, it's a no for me, baby. I'm gonna have to charge the camera. What is that?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. Fresh hair, got the hoodie on. Okay, I see you.
Oh.
I see you. This is what I'm finna start on. The family means everything. This is the first, well, I don't think this is the first, like, one that he made, but this is the, like, official, you know? He did that for real, you can see it. So we finna stain this and I guess put the clear coat and the cedar on there and paint it. I don't know if you want me to paint it or not, but I think it will look cute painted, at least the perimeter around it, or I don't know. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is the start of our business. I just started our what's up, Ace? So I just started our Instagram page for our business account. The name of the account might change, but for now it's ts.woodworks, 2 S's at the end. And yeah, this is how it looks. We put the family means everything as the I think my phone is about to die, but yeah, I started the business account, so this is what it is. We finna get to the bag, y'all. I don't want the whole thing. Alright, y'all, so right now I'm finna start on this Be My Valentine. This is when he asked me to be his Valentine. And yeah, y'all know this is specialty, so he said Kalia right, Be My Valentine. But anyway, I'm about to stain it with these two stains, this brush, and then I'ma coat it with the clear gloss. That's a bench for you to sit on?
Bench for you to put stuff on. I got a chair in my car. Truck.
Oh, okay. Okay, so first things first. Doing it on top of this plastic bag. Let me put the camera down. So I don't want to mess up his truck, so I just put the plastic bag down. Pull out one of them things to open up the can. This is walnut. What's this? Oh, charcoal. Oh, this one already halfway open.
What one you trying to open?
Both of them.
You can't mix these now.
I know. That's dark. Can I mix it up? Should I mix it up?
Mix what up?
Like mix it up.
I'm not. It's stained it like an oil. But make sure when you put these back in that it ain't nothing around it. Cause it gonna dry up. It's a lot of this shit in there. What color is that?
Charcoal.
What one you gonna
Ugh, that look.
do? Do charcoal.
Okay. I'm gonna use the charcoal one first, y'all. So this look like some type of like gasoline or some shit. Oh, it looks nice with the stain though. I wanted to color it like a certain color. But this is super cute. You gotta spread it out for the first layer. Make sure you get everything.
Oh yeah, they're gonna soak up real good.
And then get the sides a little bit. Is that my car? Y'all, let me tell y'all. He hit Ava on the back of this Honda right here. It was a little.
Little tap.
It was a little tap, but still, Ava ain't like that. She's still beeping. She ain't like that. Okay. So that was that. Okay. Let me show y'all. This is the after, and it looks so good with that. I'm not gonna lie. It looks fire. So now I'm gonna do the other one, the big one. I'm about to do this big one right here. So this is the little setup we got going on. He got one of his machines right there, another one right there. Got the little bench shit, the workbench. This Ace right there. We got the table, extension cord. Got Bay fine ass right there. Get you a man that knows what the fuck he's doing, okay? Period. And this. So y'all comment down below what y'all think we should, like different things y'all think we should make with wood and stuff like that. We was looking some up last night. Like we seen wooden phone cases, we seen rocking chairs. What else we seen, babe? Yeah, we seen different signs and stuff. It was cute. It was cute. Okay, so I got an extra plastic bag that I could just sit the finished stuff on. I should do the back, huh? Oh, it's dripping down. Practice makes perfect, y'all. So if you're not sure about something, just keep practicing. You know, you eventually gonna get better. Especially if you got your mindset on it too. Oh, I'm wasting minutes, y'all. I'll get back to y'all. But yeah, so I'm about to finish. Well, I'm about to start this one. So first we're gonna take the clear gloss and just go across. is what Bay over here doing. He almost done building that workbench, but we're gonna do the front. Family means everything, cause it does. Now this might be a little tricky for some people because, you know, obviously it's engraved and stuff. But we're gonna go in between first. And we're gonna just spread it out.
It should be like a wrench in there. Open that box. Pressing it button in, and I'm gonna break it loose. So it should be all the tape. Take it out.
You look good when you're in your element.
This is what you call in my element.
I mean, this is one of your elements.
This is a pen. It's literally like you writing something in the wood.
That's how you wrote my name?
Yeah. But right now we making hoisters.
You keep saying hoisters. We're making cup coasters. Like, you know what you put your cup on? They're called coasters. I'm saying hoisters. I don't know what the fuck that is. Oysters?
Try to find the perfect bit for this. Which I don't think.
Step number 1, pray. Always, 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 always. Always get right with God. If you ain't right with nothing else, get right with God. But yeah, so we out here just, you know, I finished the little families, everything. It's over there drying, as you can see.
The bit we're gonna use the O-flute bit. I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna go about right there. I'm gonna time. Oh, wait, let me see if it's deep enough. Y'all wanna go at
least? I
least?
know if it's deep enough. You ain't care about how deep it was last night?
First of all, we didn't do anything last night. Plug it back in, but after you put a new bit in,
but you gotta
do a Z touch.
In,
I know, but you gotta do a Z touch. So we're gonna slide it back in.
You gonna make sure it's tight.
Not too tight.
Not too tight, though.
All right, when you're doing this, you're gonna click cut, but you're gonna do a Z touch so it'll know where it's at. A Z touch, what would the bit do when I click Z touch? You're gonna click automatic. It's gonna measure where you at. All right, so now.
Yeah, to see how far down.
Yeah, now we're gonna do a scan. We're gonna do a new scan, start new scan. So, right now I'm just scanning.
The area?
Yeah, the area. So it'll know where we at. And right now we're doing coaster, so I got it. And let me readjust this.
I didn't know you could lift it over there like that.
Yeah, but you kind of want to stay on the table. Let me lift up this chair. Right now, we're gonna click create. We're gonna do circle hoisters.
It's not hoisters.
All right, we're just gonna create one. We're gonna start a circle.
Wait, babe. So
pull.
once it starts drilling, I need to hold it tighter then.
Nah, you good. You can let it go.
Oh.
We're gonna create. We're gonna do circle. We're gonna start a circle. We're just gonna see how big that is. It's a 2-inch circle, which I really think it need to be bigger than that. So we're gonna do
2 inches.
You see my tape? Pass me my tape measure. 2 inches. Cut. We're gonna do on the line. No. We're gonna do inside.
Okay.
Wait a minute, let me think this dude. Yeah. Yeah, that's
Inside
right.
or line?
Inside. And we're gonna go a 1/8 inch in. Oh, so we making like horses this big, a cup thing this big, or do you want to plow down into it and leave a lip?
Oh yeah, like that kind of.
Like what?
Like inward and then.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause I don't think it should be this big. To be honest, I thought we were doing like a press round. Cause if that's the case, we need to do it on one of those thinner ones over there.
I can plow down though. Gotta plug in my
That's for the shavings and stuff.
Yeah. Oh shit. Make sure. Always make sure you put it back on. Plug that in.
Put that thing in the hole. Put that thing in the hole.
What we gonna do inside? We're gonna turn it on.
So basically, what you doing on there is you tracing what you see on there.
Yeah.
Oh.
But it do it by itself. How you doing it, gun?
If you was just to let it go, would it make a perfect circle by itself?
It feels smaller, but since it's so big, it ain't.
The circle or the piece of wood?
The circle.
Oh, okay.
If I did a small circle, all I had to do was just stand right there and it would have did it by itself.
Yeah. But since it's bigger, we kind of got it. So that button is to bring it up and down.
And this is just start plowing.
I mean, you made a circle.
I know, but it's supposed to be a holster, so.
What is a holster?
Coaster.
Okay, well.
Alright, hold up. Before we go any
You
further.
can trace it.
Now, before we go any further, should I pocket all of this and make it the same? Make it out just a deep circle? Or should I go ahead and cut it out? Or should I plow inside?
So what you finna do?
I'm gonna pocket all of this.
But yeah, I don't even know if I showed y'all when I finished. It looks much better. I'm not gonna lie. Now that it has a clear coat on, it has like a little shine to it. I like it. I don't know if I want to paint it or not, or just keep it like this. Y'all comment down below if y'all comment down below if y'all think we should paint it or just leave it like how it is. It looks really good though. We almost had it, y'all. I'm trying to figure it out. We're just trying to get it up out of there. But then we start don't really matter because we cutting it out to take this out. But we did fucking do it over here. I mean, we could use a little sandpaper to clean that up. Still. Or we could just go back in and go all the way around, but, you know. Fuck, I'm getting bit the fuck up out here. I don't like this itching, scratching, you know. Yeah, but okay. Smart. Very smart. And then we got us a coaster. You just got, you know,
Just gonna give
sand
it
it down, sand it up. Yes, sir. Don't get a splinter. We gonna have to sand that down, y'all. So, because that machine, it did its thing, but
We fucked it up.
we fucked it up. But we still did our thing.
fucked it up.
Look at this. We still got a poster. It looks cute. Her cup holder, or cup coaster. It's a big ass coaster though. But I'm gonna just use sandpaper and clean it up. This how the bottom look. Which it really don't matter, but got the sandpaper right here. You have a sander? Okay, cool. Okay.
You wanna go ahead and stain it?
So we finna sand it, then stain
So
it.
you wanna sand it? Go ahead and get the sand and sand it?
Yeah. So we finna start cleaning up a little bit. I already closed this up. I'm gonna close this. Well, actually, I'm gonna use that one. I'm gonna close this one up. You've been out here working. Okay. This closed. Yeah. Okay, it's already looking good.
This can be pretty much anything.
This
Money
is cute.
exchange holder.
That was what we did so far today. Probably gonna start wrapping it up after I stain this and sand it a little bit. But yeah, it is currently 4:51. We was working, y'all. So we got the family meals, everything. We got the Be My Valentine, you feel me? So yeah, we finna pop this business off, y'all. So we starting a new business. I am gonna be selling paintings too. Custom paintings, you know, whatever y'all wanna see. Let me show y'all what I got in here real quick. So y'all, I do hop into my painting bag every once in a while. I did this painting, which I think I showed y'all before, I don't know. But I also have some canvases here that we're gonna paint. This one I already painted on, but I'm gonna paint over it because I ain't finished. I ain't have the right paint that day. And I do have some unfinished paintings, like this one. I never finished. But yeah, we gonna do something with that. We gonna get this business popping. Follow our business page at ts. What is it called? ts.woodworks, 2 S's at the end. Make sure y'all follow that. We finna be popping off this business, get this shit rolling. And if y'all want any customs or just have any ideas of what we should make next, comment down below. So this is the coaster, guys. The bottom looks like this. It's alright. For our first time making a coaster, you feel me? And then we gonna use this one to stain it. The one I used earlier. I want to use that same brush though, right?
What you need to do?
I was gonna lay something down so I don't have to put it on the trip. Alright, y'all, so first things first. Take some, but
What,
it's
this
still
is
gonna
clear
drip
coat?
though, babe. No, this is the stain, the charcoal.
Alright. Oh, we got a deep in the way.
Should use the smaller brush.
It's supposed to be kind of deep.
The bottom look a little jaggedy, but it's okay because we ain't seeing the bottom. We ain't looking at the bottom. You ain't putting your cup in the bottom. Okay. We're gonna let that dry. And yes, sir. Yeah, let me finish cleaning this up, y'all. So y'all, we are pretty much done. We packing up out here, just cleaning everything up. You feel me? Our mess that we made. What, babe? How you feel about
just
today?
showing her the basics, cause she's a basic.
Don't disrespect me. You know I'm not basic. I knew
Really
half
just
of this
showing her the
shit.
basics of the CNC working, but she got it okay. She surprised me a little
Yeah.
bit. Can't lie. 2019, 2020 right
Cause
here,
I
but
already
you
know. I already know half that shit because I learned it already in design and production. So, period. Right?
But anyway, before we go in the house, you gotta throw another coat on that cedar.
I put only one coat on all of them. And they look fine to me.
Huh?
So,
Get a little darker.
yeah. That is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this far. Babe, get in the video and close it out. Damn.
Thank
We
y'all
hope
for
you
watching
guys-
this video. I carried that motherfucker, for real.
Boy, bye. I did most of the talking. So, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this far.
If y'all want dreads like this, you can't get them.
Give me a kiss.
Yeah, see, when she look at me like that, she thinks she looking at a fine piece of work. And
You
I
are
ain't.
fine, dessert.
See, look at her trying to get horny on the camera.
Nigga, nobody is getting
Yeah,
horny.
I'm making that little coochie cat jump. Making that little cooter jump.
Shut up.
Look at the tattoo. I keep forgetting I got one.
I got one too.
Yeah, but you copied me. I had mine first.
I had mine first. Anyways, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.
Wake up looking this good, and I wouldn't change it if I could. And you can say what you want on the shit.